Rice cooker recipe is easy, save time and delicious dish. Let's cook curry chicken rice cooker rice today. Follow my channel and save this recipes now, so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Cook this recipe anytime when you need cooking idea. It's easy and yummy. Each bites comes with rice, chicken, and potatoes. Let's start cooking now. Rice, chicken, lemongrass, potato, onion. Cut off the head and tail of the lemongrass, and remove the first layer of outer layer. Cut in half and flatten with the back of a knife to release the flavor. Sliced onion. Cubes potato. Potato mix with cooking oil. Air fried at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Potatoes is done, nice golden brown color. Heat oil. Stir fry lemongrass and onion slices until fragrant. Add chicken and stir fry until fragrant. Chicken marinate overnight with salt and curry powder. Add 2 tablespoons curry paste. Pour 1 bowl water, let it simmer. Scope chicken and curry sauce for braised rice usage. Chicken is uncooked at this stage. It will further cook when braised rice later. We need some curry gravy to cook rice. Remaining chicken to cook as dried curry chicken. Dried curry chicken recipes I'll share in next video, ya. Heat oil and stir fry onion until translucent. Add rice and stir fry until fragrant. Pour chicken and curry gravy and stir fry. fried potatoes cubes. Pour enough water to cook rice. Season with 1 teaspoon salt. Select white rice button and start cooking. Rice is cooked with nice golden brown color. Mix well. Optional to season with light soy sauce. Plate and curry chicken rice is ready to serve. Full of curry aromatic, yummy. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Dried curry chicken recipe is in my another video, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.